wind was better, still beat you up riding. Came home early, went to the store, got a pack of cookies. Also, I filled up the back of my vehicle with carrots. For €2, I got a good deal on some day-old carrots. Hey Hershey, you want a carrot? I brought you a carrot. What do you think of this one? Huh? What do you think of this one right there? Juicy? Juicy? Okay. How are you? Huh? Is that good? I know. How are you? You look very well cared for. So listen, I'm gonna call you Hershey. Alrighty? Oh goodness, it's cold out here. How was your day? This now concludes this broadcasting day. You know what? That's a good segue into the process. It's not just a vacation. It's a forced creation. It's 73 degrees here, and the wind's an issue. Come on, let's go inside. Mission control is over here. At the end of my day, I have to take the memory cards. I made a video last year about how I deleted a day's worth of 2 memory cards. Right, deleted. Oh, it's a problem because it punctures the story and I don't have all the footage. Yeah, that's not happening this year. But at the end of the day, all of them have to be done. Then they go into subcategories. You go into Greece 2021. Already there is an Emirates 2, ferry to Amorgos, leaving Orlando. Amorgos clicks in day 1, day 2. Click in further, camera 1, camera 2, drone 1. It's a lot. So, yeah. So it's not a vacation, it's forced creation. It's my time with a commitment to deliver content. It's actually not normal. So at the end of the day, everything has to be charged up. I leave out of here super early in the morning. So listen, I need to work. I'll see you in the morning. I got a trunk filled with carrots. So in the morning, we got donkeys to feed. You know, I have a unique opportunity, a curse, to take images and video off of the memory card every day, every night, and I get to review the footage. And my goodness, that's not the look I was going for. I wanted to look like Christopher Atkins from Blue Lagoon. I feel like I look like Chet Atkins. 526, been up for a while. These, I've said it before, the videos do not edit themselves. Here he is. Hey donkey, donkey, donkey. Want a carrot? Who wants a carrot? And our adoption programs. Mr. Meatball didn't like the kitten. Can you imagine? Donkeys are skinny, but they've had hard lives. They might not be well. They have food. It's not like they're looking for fries and a burger. They'll eat this. Here, come get a carrot. Here you go. That's for you. Hello. Here you go, baby. Here, right here. Come get this. You need this. Come here. Come get your dog. Get your carrot. Okay. Good. Good. Little one, you are just wheezing. Wheezing, wheezing, wheezing. You know, like the other sign said, many were found abandoned and abused. They've had hard lives, right? So, hello. How about you? You're new. You're new. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna take off. I'm here. Listen, I'm here all week. I'm here all week. Hey, you want a carrot? You want a carrot? Got you something. Here, hold on. Here. Want a carrot? There, for you. Here, have a carrot. That's for you. That's for you. Okay? Okay. Bye-bye. We're definitely gonna need some more carrots. Let's go. You know the good thing about waiting for the wind to calm down? It makes me calm down. Just moving a little slower. Oh, I'm gonna blame it on the wind. Listen, grab everything you need. We are leaving. I have fed everybody but myself this morning. Time for breakfast. Difficulty getting food. It's really the hour that I maneuver. I stopped here because it's quaint, and it is. But there's 2 items on the menu for breakfast. 2 items. Hello, hello.
Hello.
The breakfast omelet.
Pigari too.
Yeah. And
Hot coffee?
Is there a double espresso?
Yes, but
Yeah.
it's a more, it's 50 cents.
I understand.
Okay?
And the omelet is what? Vegetable?
But it's a...
I know.
Yes,
I get
okay.
it. Everything I like is more, right? Everything I like a little more.
What is a vegetable? Tomatoes, pepper?
Tomato, pepper. Sure.
Okay.
Tomato, pepper, onion. All right.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Okay. Well, you know, listen. You're going to have to be flexible, Tony. You're going to have to be flexible. So, I know some places making the most amazing omelet. This isn't it. But look at my view. Want a lesson in time travel? I can guarantee you in my future, I will be praying that I could return and have an average omelet by May. What's that mean? Relish it. Make this important. Cherish it. Look around. Absorb it. Right? Make it last. Because you'll want it again. Right? Remember? Just one more dance in the sun.
What do you like?
Carrots.
Hey.
Let's go. Feed the donkeys carrots a bag. Carrots, carrots, carrots a bag. God, y'all are so skinny. Here, sweetie, that's a cold carrot. That should be good. What do you think? There you go. Here, there's a cold. No, don't be scared. I know. Hard life. There you go. You know, you can't fix them, right? But you can make it pleasant. Right? Yeah, you. Look at your carrot on the ground. You think you want another one? Okay, look. There you go. Take that. Oh, look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Oh, this one here. Still chewing that tiny carrot. All right. I don't want... All right, let's save these. At these prices, let's save these. I now know why the donkeys are skinny.